Double angle identities. Double angle identities. Sine the quantity of 2a is equal to 2 sine the quantity of a cos the quantity of a. Cos to the quantity of 2a is equal to cos squared times a minus sine squared the quantity of a. Half angle identities. Sine the quantity of a over 2 is equal to negative positive square root of 1 minus cos a over 2. Cos the quantity of a over 2 is equal to positive negative square root of 1 plus cos a over 2. Power reducing identities. Sine squared the quantity of a is equal to 1 minus cos the quantity of 2a over 2. Cos squared of the quantity of a is equal to 1 plus cos the quantity of 2a over 2. Use a half-angle identity to find the exact value of sine the quantity of pi over 12. We will use the half-angle formula for sine. Sine the quantity of a over 2 is equal to positive negative square root of 1 minus cos a over 2. We need to find out what a is in order to use this formula. A over 2 is equal to pi over 12. 12a is equal to 2 pi. A is equal to 2 pi over 12 is equal to pi over 6. Value of sine pi over 12, we now replace a with pi over 6 in the formula to get sine the pi over 6 over 2 is equal to positive negative 1 minus cos the quantity of pi over 6 over 2. Sine pi over 12 is equal to positive negative square root of 1 minus square root of 3 over 2 over 2. Value of sine pi over 12. Sine pi over 12 is equal to negative positive the quantity of 2 minus square root of 3 over 2 over 2. Sine the quantity of pi over 12 is equal to positive negative square root of 2 minus square root of 3 over 4. Sine pi over 12 is equal to positive negative square root of 2 minus square root of 3 over 2. Now, all that we have left to do is to determine the answer shall be positive or negative. We determine which the use base what quadrant the original angle is in. In our case, we need to know what quadrant pi over 12 is in. This angle fall in quadrant I since the sign values in quadrant 1 are positive, we keep the positive answer. Sine the quantity of pi over 12 is equal to square root of 2 minus square root of 3 over 2. If cos t is equal to negative 7 over 9, where pi is less than t less than 3 pi over 2. Find the values of the following trigonometric functions cos the quantity of 2t. For this, we need the double angle formula for cosine. Cos the quantity of 2a is equal to cos squared the quantity of a minus sine squared the quantity of a. In order to use this formula, we need to cos t and sin t. We can use either the Pythagorean identity of right triangles to find sin t. So this is the given. To find values of the following trigonometric functions, triangle for angle t. So this is the picture of our given. So 7 squared plus b squared, so this is the 7, equals to 9 squared. 49 plus b squared is equal to 81 squared. B squared is equal to 92 or 32. B is equal to positive negative square root of 32. Length is positive, B is equal to square root of 32. Since angle T is the quadrant 3, the sine value is negative. So this is the answer. Sine theta, sine t is equal to negative square root of 32 over 9.